Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can use multi screens or split your screen in your Android device. First of all, I want to tell you that for this purpose you don't need to install any type of Android application because it's a default option in all Android devices. So you don't need to install any application for splitting your mobile screen. So for this purpose, first you have to open the apps which you want to use in your device in multi screens. For example, I want to open Google Chrome and YouTube. So I want to use Google Chrome and YouTube both in one screen. So for this you have to click here, and now you have to select one file. You have to select one file. For example, I want to use Google Chrome and YouTube. So you have to select and click on one file. For example, I will click on YouTube. You have to click on and hold. Press click and hold. And now you will drag this like this. Okay. So in this way you can see that our screen has splitted. Okay, so now you can see that I can use both applications in one screen, and you can use this option in portrait and landscape, both modes. Okay, for example, now I want to use this application and calculator. Okay, so now I want to use this application, telephone calls and calculator in one screen. So the method is same. We will again press this button, and now I will select calculator, click on it and press hold, and now I will drag it, and you can see that our multi options of screen splitting is enabled. So first I can use calculator, and second I can use any other option, any other Android app, like I am using telephone calls in portrait and landscape, both modes. So in this way friends, you can easily use multi screen options in your Android devices. So, and when you want to exit the multi screen option, you have to press this corner and drag to the down. So in this way this option will disable. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for all new updates. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.